Here's a humorous story for beginners, written in basic English with new verbs, excluding to be and to have. Here are the 10 main verbs used in this story with examples. Invite, cook, clean, bring, place, laugh, guess, drop, spill, flip. The story is related to Thanksgiving in the U.S. and includes common phrases and simple vocabulary. Caesar's crazy Thanksgiving dinner. Hi, my name is Cesar, and today is Thanksgiving. I love Thanksgiving because it is all about food, friends, and fun. This year, I host the dinner at my house. I invite my friends Dennis, Paula, Belinda, Marvin, Alicia, and some other people. I plan a big meal, and I hope everything goes well. But let me tell you, things do not go as planned. Morning preparation. In the morning, I clean the house, I sweep the floor, wipe the tables, and organize the chairs. My house looks nice and ready for my friends. After cleaning, I start cooking. I cook the turkey first because it takes many hours. I put the turkey in the oven, set the timer, and wait. While the turkey cooks, I chop vegetables, mix ingredients, and boil potatoes. Everything smells delicious. The first problem. Suddenly, the smoke alarm rings. Beep, beep, beep. I run to the kitchen and see smoke everywhere. I forget to watch the oven, and the turkey burns on one side. I laugh and say, "Well, it is still turkey." I turn off the alarm and open the window. Dennis arrives early. He looks at the turkey and says, "What happened here, Caesar?" I smile and reply, "It is a new recipe, burned turkey surprise." Dennis laughs and helps me fix it. He scrapes the burned part, and the turkey looks a little better. Friends start arriving. Soon my friends Paula, Belinda, Marvin, and Alicia arrive. Paula brings a pie and Belinda brings mashed potatoes. Marvin walks in with a big bowl of cranberry sauce, and Alicia brings a green salad. I shout, "Welcome, everyone! Come in and make yourselves at home." Everyone sits in the living room and talks while I finish cooking. Dennis stays in the kitchen with me and helps stir the gravy. The turkey disaster. It is time to take the turkey out of the oven. I pull it out carefully, but suddenly the tray slips from my hands. The turkey flies through the air and lands on the floor. Everyone stops talking and looks at me. There is silence for 3 seconds, and then Belinda shouts, 5-second rule. Everyone laughs. I pick up the turkey and say, "Don't worry, I cleaned the floor this morning." Paula jokes, "Caesar, this turkey has extra flavor now." I laugh too. We clean the turkey and put it back on the tray. It still looks good enough to eat. Setting the table. We set the table together. Marvin places the plates, Paula arranges the napkins, and Belinda lights the candles. Dennis pours drinks for everyone, and Alicia puts her salad in the center of the table. I bring the turkey to the table, and everyone claps. I say, "Let's eat before something else happens." Everyone laughs again. Funny conversations at the table. At dinner, we talk and joke about many things. Dennis says, "Cesar, your turkey is like my first car, a little broken, but it still works." Marvin tells a story about his dog, Max, who steals food from the table every year. He says, "Last year, Max ate half the turkey before we noticed." Paula shares a funny story about her neighbor who cooks a tofu turkey every Thanksgiving. She says, "It looks like turkey, but it tastes like socks." Belinda laughs so hard that she drops her fork. She says, "This is the funniest Thanksgiving ever." The gravy fight. While we eat, Dennis accidentally spills gravy on Marvin's shirt. Marvin stands up and shouts, "Dennis, what are you doing?" Dennis laughs and says, "It's a Thanksgiving decoration." Marvin grabs the gravy bowl and pretends to throw it at Dennis. Everyone screams, "No!" But Marvin only laughs and says, "I'm joking." The gravy stays on the table and we all relax. Dessert time. After dinner, it is time for dessert. Paula's pie smells amazing. She cuts slices for everyone, but when she gives me a piece, I drop it on the floor. Belinda says, "Cesar, maybe you need smaller plates." Everyone laughs. I pick up the pie and say, "Well, more for Max, Marvin's dog." We eat the pie and it is delicious. Alicia also brings cookies and Marvin surprises us with ice cream. We all enjoy the sweet treats and talk about our favorite desserts. Games and more laughs. After dessert, we play games. Belinda brings a game called charades. She explains the rules. One person acts and the others guess the word. Dennis goes first. He acts like a turkey, flapping his arms and making gobbling sounds. Paula guesses, "Chicken?" Dennis shakes his head. Marvin guesses, "Dinosaur." Dennis shakes his head again. Finally, Alicia shouts, "Turkey!" Dennis claps and sits down. Next, Paula acts like a football player. She runs in slow motion and pretends to throw a ball. Belinda guesses correctly, and we all laugh at Paula's silly moves. The surprise ending. At the end of the night, we sit in the living room and relax. Suddenly, the lights go out. The room is dark, and everyone screams. I say, "Don't worry, I fix it." I grab a flashlight and check the fuse box. I flip the switch, and the lights turn on again. Everyone claps and says, "Cesar, the hero." Dennis jokes, "Cesar, you are a great host, but next time, let's order pizza." I laugh and say, "Good idea, Dennis. Pizza is easier than turkey." Goodbye and gratitude. As my friends leave, I thank each of them. I say, "Thank you for coming. I am so happy to share this day with you." Paula hugs me and says, "Cesar, this is the best Thanksgiving ever." Marvin adds, "Even with the flying turkey, we have a great time." Belinda says, "You make us laugh all night." "Thank you," I smile and reply, "You are all my family. Thanksgiving is special because of you."